Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Nayfa Ashadya Wardani. I'm from MTS Samudera Pasai Madani. Just for today, let me be your sun to shine your day. How's your sleep last night?
Good.
I hope you sleep well, because today I will tell you a long story from Java. The title is Timun Emas. So, here we go. Long time ago, lived an old woman named Randa. She lived by herself because her husband had long passed away and she had no children. Every day, she prayed to God to give her a child. One night, when she was praying, a giant named passed her house and heard her prayer. Ha ha ha, Mbak Randa! Ha ha ha! I will give you what do you want. I can give you a child, but on one condition. You must give the child back to me when it is 6 years old. Are you sure, Tuju? Mbak Randa was so happy. She didn't think to risk of losing the child later and agreed to take the chance of her. But the angel then gave her a bunch of cucumber seeds. Plant it around your house. Thank you so much, Buteju. Thank you. In the morning, Randa planted the seeds. The seeds grew within several days. Not longer after that, a big golden cucumber grew from plants. In a hurry, Randa plucked the golden cucumber and carried it home carefully. Where is the knife? Oh, it is this. She sliced the cucumber slowly and carefully. And what happened then? She was very surprised to see a beautiful baby girl inside the cucumber. She arrived her softly, then named the baby Timun Emas. Years passed by. Timun Emas had grew to become a lovely and beautiful little girl. She was also smart and kind. Randa loved her very much, but she kept thinking about the time the giant would take Timun Emas away from her. What should I do if Buteju takes Timun Emas back and someone happened? Next morning, Randa goes to the monument. The holy man gave her 4 bags, each one containing cucumber seeds, needles, salt, and shrimp paste. These bags are for her. Tell her to use it one by one to protect herself, said the holy man. Thank you so much, sir. Randa